What is up, everybody? So today we got a special project for the E46. This is going to be going hand in hand with the supercharger. We're definitely going to be making more power, and we want to hear that power. So I got here is a 3-inch cutoff. I'm going to show you all the components that come with it and how we're going to get it installed. So first things here, let's open it up. I got your 3-inch Y here. They also make these in 2.5 if your exhaust is not 3-inch, but I'm running a 3-inch straight pipe. So basically what we're going to do here is cut the exhaust system and slip this in there. This is one of the pieces that it comes with. Our next piece is it also comes with this flange here, which basically bolts onto here once we put our actuator in there. It also comes with the dump pipe, which you can bolt onto there. Comes with the clamp, so you can clamp this on there. Once it's all installed, you can pretty much dump this, rotate it and dump it into anywhere you want. The next thing we got here is in here. We got the switch, or the valve, however you want to call it. Basically, this is an actuator. It's electronically operated. Comes with a harness and this battery cable here that you connect to either a cigarette lighter, or you can cut it and wire it directly to your battery. Once you got all that connected, you got your gaskets. You can slip this onto your flange, but as you may need to use it depending on the car application. Basically, that's going to go something like that with that elbow coming out the side. It also comes, this one here is electronic, so it comes with a remote. So basically it's simple as open or close. Open's going to make a lot more noise. Close is going to go through the exhaust system a little bit quieter. Let me hook up a battery charger here and we'll test it out. I'll show you how it works. Okay guys, so I got my battery charger here. Take our power cable here. This is probably be one of the harder parts of doing this job, just having to run this wire through your car. Some cars may be easy, some may be hard. In my case, should be pretty easy. Basically, we'll plug it into the cigarette lighter, turn this thing on. Now, they do come with this extension in case you got to go very far, if you're putting the valve very far from your switch. In my case, it's going to be close, so I don't think I'll be using this. So straightforward, we'll just plug it in. We got our remote, and it's basically open and close. Very straightforward. Okay guys, so pretty much this is what the setup will look like once it's under your car. You'll have this welded into your exhaust system. You'll have this all assembled together like that. Right now I didn't put the gaskets in there yet, but just to get a basic idea. And like I said, this elbow, you can kick it out depending on the angle of the piping, however you may have to put it. So these kits typically run about $100, maybe more, maybe less. I got it for about 100. I guess the good ones are about $200, $300. This is a eBay one. It worked out pretty good. We'll try it out. If it doesn't, we'll just have to switch it out for a good one. On the 3-inch pipe down here, I had added a O2 sensor bung so I can run this air fuel ratio sensor, which pretty much detects my air fuel ratios at all time. Very important for tuning. Now that we're going to put this supercharger on, we got to make sure that it's getting a true reading. Lately we've been having issues with gaskets leaking here, so not getting true readings. So we're going to replace these gaskets since we're doing the modifications to the exhaust, and that should give us good exhaust readings so we can tune this super. Probably gonna have to go something like that, since I got plenty of room here to pretty much put the actuator up in there. This will be able to fit there once this pipe's installed on there. So this is my 3-inch straight pipe. Goes right here from the headers. I got my air fuel ratio sensor here, already loosened it up, and basically it ends there where the axle's at, and it's a 2.5 to the exhaust. We're going to be cutting section out right here and inserting the cut off.